What if someone thought of a cable that could protect your valuable device's battery life, photos and videos, and contacts and data? ToughTested did. The Pro Plus charging cable is the only USB cable with safe charge technology that monitors, reacts, and protects your device from dangerous voltage and current disturbances with a built-in switch. You may not realize that surges and voltage irregularities are constantly occurring in your home, work, and vehicle. These surges can destroy your phone data and degrade your battery. The Pro Plus charging cable won't let that happen. The Safe Charge circuit breaker monitors and protects in real time. It automatically shuts off power to the device when damaging voltage or current is detected, turning the indicator light red within 1/10 of a second. When it returns to a safe level, the light returns to green and you'll be safely charging again. Building smart also means building tough. The Pro Plus charging cable is heat resistant, chemical resistant, and abrasion resistant. No matter where you are or how you're charging, the Pro Plus cable always makes sure your valuable device and its data are protected, charged, and synced. The Pro Plus charging cable from ToughTested is your extra line of defense at home, at work, and on the road.